Calmfire. This is a round effect, face down, and opponent may not play a faction card on their next available faction card play. Opponent may not draw a faction card during this play as well. So it's important to note that when you play Calmfire, you need to immediately, once they've finished and completed their moves, flip that card over. Don't let them draw a card. So what you're going to do is the opponent is playing this. So he's going to take the 13 and is going to move back. So the only brown on the board is a 6. He's going to move back this 4 and then move up, say, the 12 here. That's a great play for him or her. And then they're going to reach for that faction card, but before you do that, you flip over Calmfire and say, you don't. And then he is not allowed to play a faction card or her.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.